Now to install Photopea, a good photo editor for Chromebook, just search Photopea. Go to their website. Let's click this one. And here's an icon. We click here, we install this app. And that's it, it's installed. So now if you wanted to find it, you could just go to the launcher menu and search Photopea. Here it is. And it's right here. Now let's say you wanted to change the size of an image. So let's first get an image. And let's go to image here, image size, and then we change, let's say, to 520 pixels. Okay, now it's smaller, file, export as, for example, JPEG. Save. That's it, it's saved. Now it's smaller. You can use any other tools to change and modify your images. Hope you like it.